Verifi is an automated QA AI platform that can test apps such as web UIs and maybe APIs, where you can simply plug in a URL of your choosing and maybe explain a bit about the app, and then it will let the AI models plan and also test the app automatically using BTL's runtime. So the AI here is using models you would expect such from frontier models such as Gemini, GPT. However, since we're using BTL's runtime, the cost is much lower than what you would expect, and the performance is also more or less the same, and the results are quite great. Even with a lot of analysis and a lot of good performance results here, as you can see, the cost itself is actually not really that high. It's actually quite low compared to normal models. And here you can see our platform's mechanism of actually testing the app. You can see all the analysis and the explanation of all the actual hands-on testing done by the AI automatically. And you can see the cost here, yeah, it's not that high. Now let's move on to the API testing. Our platform is also capable of doing API tests. For example, here I'm just going to use an example API, plug in the URL, and also explain a bit about what the API can do. It's a REST API which has some endpoints that we can test out, and we can just simply run the test and let the AI do its job. Once again, we're using BTL's runtime. You can see all the costs on the top here, and it will automatically run all the tests that it needs to do, and while also analyzing all the things that went wrong, or maybe the things that actually were successfully tested and were working. Yeah. And yeah, you can see here the results are also more or less the same thing, but instead of testing UI, it's testing the API's response by requesting to it multiple times using different test cases. And yeah, that's how Verifi works. Thank you for watching our demo.